Hey everybody, I wanted to make this quick video just to show you how you can build your own custom news feed for your fan page. Now, a lot of people don't actually use this news feed, but I still think it's pretty good, especially if you're wanting to get known as your brand or build your brand around your fan page. Because a lot of people find that, it's hard enough to keep up with your normal news feed for your personal profile, let alone having to keep up with multiple news feeds for your pages as well. But if you really want to build your page, it's a good idea, especially if you've got pages perhaps that are a different target market or a different niche than what your personal profile is. So let me show you an example. We'll go to pages over here on the left hand side, and I'll go to a page that I haven't built yet. So I'll go to this one called Gadget Wired. Now this is actually just for an affiliate product. And I haven't actually really done much on this page yet. I've only really just created the page. You'll see I haven't even got a banner here yet. Now, when you go down here to the left-hand side, you'll see here it says Newsfeed. So click on Newsfeed, and if you haven't already built one yet, Facebook will prompt you on how to start, building this newsfeed. So we just go next, and it's saying here, choose who you can keep up with, follow. I'll tell you the way that I figured out how to do it. There could be an easier way, but I haven't found it yet. I've been trying to figure it out all morning because Facebook are always changing things. Now that they've got this new beta version of Facebook, they're changing where all the settings are. So what will happen now is it's going to give you some suggestions of who to start following based on who you're already following and liking as your personal profile, right? Now this page is about gadgets and technology. So all the ones that are coming up as suggestions are more about coaching, internet marketing, affiliate marketing, entrepreneurship, that type of thing, right? Now, I could follow, say, JV Affiliate Network because that's where I could be getting products to promote as an affiliate. So I'll follow that one. And I could actually follow, a lot of marketing ones if I really wanted to. But I'm not going to. I'll follow a few that might kind of make sense. Apart from that, I'm not going to really follow too many on this list here. But anything to do with affiliate marketing, I'm going to follow. Max Bounty is another place where you can get affiliate products, which is actually where I'm going to get products from for this gadget site. So anything to do with affiliate marketing, I'll follow because that relates to what this particular business or project is about. See, notice that now that I'm clicking affiliate marketing, a lot more related things are coming up that kind of relate to that. Okay, so I'm going to show you another way of how I do it too, because when nothing comes up that relates, you want to go and find those pages on your own. So now I'm going to click Go to Newsfeed here, and it's going to create this newsfeed here based on what I just said that I was going to follow. So say, for example, for my personal profile, I might not want to follow a lot of affiliate marketing stuff. I might want to keep this project completely private, and I might just want to keep my personal profile basically mostly about coaching and consulting, which is what I primarily do, right? So now a way that you can actually try to get the name out there for what you're actually doing is I could come along to this news feed, say once a day, and I can just start liking some posts as this page, right? So I can comment here, and I'm commenting as my page, Gadget Wired, and I could just say something like, great post, whatever I'm going to post. And that just helps now, see, my name, Gadget Wired, and my logo start to get seen, see? So if anybody clicks on me, if I'm actually following some other gadget or technology pages and people want to check me out, that's going to help give my my brand and my page awareness, right? So that's why I think it is really good to have these pages just to help get your branding out there. So now the other way that I've found that you can actually like pages that actually relate is when you come up to try to follow some other pages, for example. So say when you go to your news feed, and it's got these suggestions for you, right? It just automatically comes up in the feed. It's still kind of showing me things based on my personal profile, right? And I want this suggestion box to come up as things that relate to what I do. So I need to start populating a news feed that relates to what I do. So basically, if I say see more here, it's going to still show me the same related list to my personal news feed, right? My personal, all the things that I personally like, majority of the stuff that's coming up here. Now, it used to be when you used to go to this box, it would have a search bar at the top that you could search other pages related to your page and you can simply follow them there. But that option has been taken away now with this new Facebook look. So I've been trying to figure out all morning, how do you do this? How do you actually search and find a page? Because if I search a page at the top here, so if I search, say, gadgets, right, which is relating to what I'm doing, right? Because I want to find the the target market of people that are following these pages, because they're the type of people that will likely follow my page, right? So I want to be able to comment on some of these pages or like some of these pages so their followers will see my page and come over and like my page, right? That's the goal. So if I just come through to this list after searching gadgets here up on the left, right? Say if I just go to pages down here as well. So it's only going to show me pages, not groups or personal profiles, right? So these are all pages here. If I just go down in here and click like, which is obviously the easiest way to do it and what you'd want to do, right? The problem is this is actually I'm going to be liking all these pages as my personal profile, not actually my page. So it's a little bit of a pain really, because I don't really want to just mix up my personal profile with all these different things. I'm wanting to keep my personal profile clean about my core product, my core brand, which is, helping coaches and experts. I don't want to mix it up with all this affiliate marketing stuff. So basically what I want to do now is I'm going to have to click on these pages separately, right? Even if I click like here, it's still going to like it as me. And I want to like it as my page. So if I click these little three dots here, it's going to now give me the option to like it as my page, okay? I can either click and go to their page and it's going to click the three dots, it's going to give me the same option, or I can just, obviously it's easier to do it as with this list instead of clicking away from here. So I just go to these three dots, okay? I like it, I'll click like as my page, I'll click on that, and now it's going to give me a list of all my pages that I own or that I'm an admin for, and I can like it as my page. So basically now I'll click down to Gadget Wired, and now I'm going to like this page Gadgets as my page Gadget Wired, and I'll click Submit. Okay, so now I'm going to come along and I'm going to do it to the next one. Hover over that, click the three dots, click like as my page, Gadget Wired, okay, Submit. And I'm going to keep doing this, and I'm going to go right along as many as I can to populate a new a new news feed, okay, based on my preferences, okay. And I'm going to show you this once I've done a few, okay. So this one's all about some golf stuff by the look of it. So I'll just do a few more, and then we'll go back to my news feed and we'll have a look and see if we can see any new posts here from these pages. Okay, and then I'll show you what the actual goal is, right? That's actually my page. Ugh. It's a little bit frustrating. It'd be so much easier if you could just go down and click like. It'd be so much quicker. But Facebook are changing things around all the time, and you just got to keep figuring things out, right? Wherever they put all the new settings. Okay, so we'll just do this one. That's all I'll show you for now. Okay, so now we'll go back to my page, right? We'll go back. Hang on, I'll just go back home. Sometimes if you like too many in a row, Facebook will log you out and you have to log back in because they're only allowing you to like, so many at a time. So I'll go back to my page here. Okay. And now I'll go to Newsfeed here on the left-hand side. Okay. So this is a news feed for just Gadget Wired, not my personal profile, okay? Just this page. It's my own personal news feed. Now, depending if any of these people have had a recent post, it'll come up in this feed, okay? But if there's no recent posts, it won't come up in this feed yet until those gadget pages actually post something. So far, there's nothing that's really coming up here. But they will once they start posting, okay? Now, if I start to look at these suggestions now that I've just liked some gadget pages, in theory, Facebook should start showing me some other gadget pages. See, here's one here, Gadgetarian. So I'm going to follow that. Now I can just start clicking follow, which will follow as my page, okay? So the goal is that you want this suggestion to eventually just populate all the things that this page is interested in. Then you can start to follow them a lot easier. See, now Facebook has logged me out now because I've just followed too many at once, even though I didn't actually follow many. This is what happens. It logs you out and then you have to go back in again. So, okay, and then I have to kind of go back into my page again, okay, and I have to start doing some more. Otherwise, just, make an effort to kind of do this a few times a day. Okay, so you see now, you'll see that when I just liked it came up as suggestion. This has come up in the news feed now, see? So now it's following mostly more gadget related shops, pages here, see? So now each time I log in every day, I can just go to the suggested page and I can just follow some more. So every day I can just come in and follow a few more. Now, the goal is what you want to try to get into the habit, every day or every week, for example, for your page, is I want to come on and I want to like some of these posts so that my name starts to get seen. See, if I hover over the likes, my name comes up. And also if I comment here, I could add a comment, and that's going to allow my name and my brand to come up. See, so when people hover, they can see the website, they can see where I'm from, they can see what we're about, which I've got here, sharing the latest gadgets from empowered innovation, what's hot and how to use them. Okay, so this is the goal. Try and get your, getting brand awareness. So I just thought I'd show you this because I think having your own news feed for fan pages is really good. And I still believe in fan pages, even though a lot of people are just going for groups now. I still believe it's really important to have a fan page because you've got your own analytics, which you don't get from a personal profile. And you can also use it to run your advertising, and people will always still search you up for your page. So I think it is still really important to grow that following, over time, even if you are just running some like ads every now and then to build the page, which is what I do. Like I've got another page here for a different brand here. Now I have actually grown this page to, where is it showing here? Yeah. I've grown this page to 3,000 people, and that's just by running a simple like ad to grow this page. And then I've actually grown a group off this. There's a group related to this page that's actually got 400 in the group now, just by inviting these fans that I've paid to like the page, by running a like campaign. And now I've invited those people to my group. So every day that's like a daily action. And then you invite some people every day, and a certain percentage will always join your group. And that's how you can, you grow your group faster as well. So I hope this video helped. Go and start using this strategy and start building your own personalized news feed for your page and start getting some brand awareness today. So thanks for watching this video, and feel free to comment under here if you've learned something or if you've got any questions. Thank you.